this in our forums, workshop, and plenaries. But more than this, we'll speak about our solidarity. We'll speak in celebration and joy in the linking of our struggles, our campaigns, and our organization. And October 29 shall mark a milestone for us. From the rooms we have huddled, we'll come right down marching to the streets. That the migrants speak out will bring our issues to the public. And with one voice, with the real voice of the great stakeholder, we shall strongly reject the GFMD and call for Zero Remittance Day. And so, ladies and gentlemen, let the International Assembly of Migrants and Refugees speak to you now. Let this be an experience that will carry with us wherever we are, expanding our ranks, strengthening our alliances and organization, and building more bridges of solidarity. The battle lines have been drawn, the GFMD. Whether it comes next to Greece or Argentina, or anywhere else in the world, shall never know peace. By the right, we shall hound them. Speak the truth or nothing else. Long live international solidarity. Thank you so much.